Today we are in a very different place from the Costa Brava's beach towns. In this video we are going to explore a fabulous medieval village. Here is a brief introduction and history of our destination. Peratallada is classified historic site, one of the best preserved medieval village in all of Spain. The village is in the province of Girona in the region of Catalonia. It's not possible to drive inside the town. The streets are very narrow. The large parkings are around the village. The church is located outside the village. Peratallada has a large number of restaurants that can be found in this small village. In summer months, these restaurants are packed with the tourists. The village is very small. 3 hours are enough to explore the whole village. The village was originated in the 10th century after the castle was built here. The village is entirely built on the rocks. It has maze of narrow streets and sunny squares. The castle was built here in 10th century. Is still in excellent condition.